Bentley is hurling its top in the ring for the Pikes Peak International Hill Climb first time, saying it's concentrating on another SUV race record with its Bentayga. The British luxury marque will enter the W12 frame, not the possibly less extreme V8 adjustment that it's starting late uncovered, when the race to the clouds happens June 24. The brand's motorsports division in Crewe, England, is endeavouring to develop the vehicle for the 12.42-mile trap under the course of motorsports boss Brian Gush. They'll be working with a 2017 model and its 6.0-litre W12 engine, which makes 600 quality and 664 pound-feet of torque and goes 0 to 60 out of 4 seconds, its all-wheel drive transmission, 4-mode adaptable air suspension and its 48-volt dynamic threatening-to-move system. A driver will be pronounced later. Bentley's motorsports attempts have generally revolved around GT3 types of its Continental GT Auto, which have a 4.0-litre twin-turbocharged V8 driving the back deals at a deal in June, and on unprecedented discharge models like the Continental 24. So it'll be charming to see how the motorsports group tunes the Bentayga, which showed up in 2015 as the brand's first creation SUV and the snappiest, most serious member in its segment. The Broadmoor Pikes Peak International Hill Climb is a staggering race up the outstanding mountain close Colorado Springs, featuring 156 corners and a ultimate objective at 14,115 feet above sea level. This year will be the event's 96th running.